Hello everyone, it's me Safe and you're watching Gadget. Make sure you guys watch all the way to the end because we'll be announcing the rules for our giveaway. So today we're going to show you some really cool stuff. I'm going to show you how to make a squishy. So first I'm going to show you the panda squishy because why not? I know I showed you this in the last video but it's just so soft. And isn't this just the best bowl of fruit ever? I know you guys are thinking that ice cream, it's not a fruit, but let me tell you something, it's one of my 5 a day, so yeah, that feels so good. Okay, so back to the point. Today I'm going to show you how to make a homemade squishy. So this one here I managed to get it nice and soft, but not quite as slow rising as the normal squishies. But let's see how this one goes. So first we're going to start with all the important stuff that you're going to need. The first 2 things you'll need is the ingredients to make the foam. Here we've got the polyol, which is part A. And here we've got the isocyanate, which is part B. Now we'll need some plastic cups, some disposable spoons, and the mould. So it's recommended to use a silicone mould, but as you can see I don't have a silicone mould, so we're going to see what we can do with this. Then you're going to need some fabric paint to paint your squishies. And there we have it, that is pretty much everything you'll need to make the squishy. Let's go. And for those of you that are going to try this at home, make sure you get some sort of adult supervision while doing this. And with the safety out the way, let's begin. So the first thing we'll be using is the bottle label Polyol A. We're going to put 2 spoons of the Polyol A into our cup here. In fact, we want to make it a bit more than that. We're going to put 4 spoons. So we can get a slightly bigger squishy. So there's 2, 3. Then we're going to take some of the B solution, which is the isocyanate, and now we're just going to add 2 spoons of this to our mixture, and that's 1 spoon. The second spoon. Right, now we want to quickly close this and get mixing as soon as we can. And you just want to mix this in really hard and you'll feel it warming up a little bit. And then once it's mixed in, you'll realise it goes white and foamy. Just want to pour that into there. And let's hope that's enough. And you'll realise that this stuff it grows really rapidly. We're going to try scoop as much of that as we can out. And you'll notice that the foam starts to grow really rapidly. What I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this around real quick to stop the white stuff going over the side. So I'm just going to flip it like that. And you'll see it's just on the table as such. So it should take about 5 minutes until the foam reaches its full size. It apparently grows up to 15 times its size, so you will need only a little bit to put in the mould, and then it will be about 25 minutes until we can start playing with it. But I'd recommend waiting a bit longer, something about half an hour, 45 minutes. So let's find something to do to kill time. Right, now it's coming, finally the moment of truth. Let's see how this goes. There we have it, it's been about an hour now. The moment of truth. And there it is, there's the Panda. It's a little bit sticky at the moment and it's kind of stuck to the glass. So I'm just going to try to find a way of getting this off the glass first. Not bad, is it? Pretty slow rising, and I think I learnt my lesson. I think next time it's probably best to leave it that way and let it just grow out instead of turning it around. So now this is the fun bit where you can start painting. Make sure you put a cloth down, otherwise you're probably going to get paint everywhere. So here we go. And there we have it, guys. My Panda with a six-pack. Excuse my drawing, it's really bad. You know, it's times like this where I wish I listened during art class. But yeah, there is his attempted six-pack. And while we wait for that one to dry, I'm going to show you one that I made last week. There we go. I think the one I've made this week is actually quite a bit softer. But there you go. And I actually got someone else to paint this one because, yeah, I can't paint, as you can see. And there we have it, everyone. Now you guys know how to make your own squishy, and there we have it. You can try experimenting with different measurements of the two chemicals that I used earlier to make your squishy softer or harder, slow rising or fast rising, and you can literally just carry on experimenting, and you can try and make loads of different types of squishies. Obviously I was only limited to making the Panda today because of the template that I had, but if you guys have different templates you can make loads of different squishies. Who knows, maybe you'll even find out how to make a squishy like this. And if you guys can think of any good names for this Panda over here, the one with the six-pack, yeah, I'd love to hear what you can name him. Comment them in the comment section below. And I'm sure you guys have seen our massive collection of squishies on our squishy haul. This week we'll be giving away one of our squishies to one of you lucky winners. And all you guys have to do to win a squishy as part of our giveaway is make sure you like, subscribe, share and comment below when you're done. The winner to our squishy competition will be announced in our next video. The information is also available below in the description. And make sure you tell your friends too, I'm sure they would love to win a squishy. So good luck and fingers crossed. I will see you guys later.